Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you or show you how to fit a new tube and a tyre to a wheel. Watch carefully. What we do is we get the tyre, we make sure the direction's correct. It's all got direction arrows, we plonk it on like this. Get one rim on first. Be a bit tight, that's something like that. We then get our inner tube, we push it in the little hole here, like that. And pop the tube in, making sure it doesn't get twisted or caught up in the bead. Now I like to just give a little bit of air, just so it takes a bit of shape. There we go. Lovely. Right, that's all that nice. I'm going to let the air out now so I know it's all seated properly. I'm going to seat the rim. And this can get quite, this is a brand new tyre, so I'm guessing it's going to be quite tight when I get to the other end, we'll see. Oh, look at this. And the tricky thing is not getting the inner tube caught in the tube and between the tube and the tyre. When you think it's on, you now have to just double check all the way round to make sure the inner tube is not caught anywhere. If it is, we need to just gouge it out and just make sure that inner tube is not stuck. That's all good that side. And then we turn it round and do the same the other side, and then we pump it up. Good. Put the pump on. Just give it a couple of pumps like that, and we just make sure the bead is sat on there properly. Which it is, and then then we're going to just pump this up to what it says on the side, and this one's 95, so and undo this. Do the little valve up. Put the little stopper on, the little There you have it, my friends, your tutorial on how to put a new tube and tyre on a bicycle wheel. Thank you very much for logging into my YouTube channel. Please give me a thumbs up.